Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, which are the three payrolls options available inside QuickBooks Online companies? 1. QuickBooks Online do it yourself payroll. 3. 2. QuickBooks Online core payroll. 3. QuickBooks Online premium payroll. 4. QuickBooks Online elite payroll. 5. QuickBooks Online self-service payroll. The correct answer of the question is 2. QuickBooks Online core payroll. 3. QuickBooks Online premium payroll. 4. QuickBooks Online elite payroll. So that's the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.